Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about Propwire, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you filter your property list by year built in Propwire? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to filter out properties in your list by year built anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running a real estate business, we all have our certain market or ideal property, and for some of you, you don't want to buy a property older than a certain year. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Propwire dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instruction there as well. But I've already logged into my Propwire, and this is the search screen. So I've already pulled up a general list right here. Now, if you want to filter by year built, up here on the top right, you're going to click on more. Once you do that, you're going to see this drop down menu, and you want to click here on property filters. Once you click there, you're going to scroll down and look for the section year built. So let's say that I don't want to buy anything older than 1975. So I'll click right here, and then I'll just type in 1975. Once you type that in, you're going to see it here on the top right, and then click on save and close. And you can see I have 954 results, but immediately it drops it down to 52 results. So we can tell in this neighborhood, it's an older neighbor. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to filter out properties by year built using your Propwire account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.